How Shopify Speed Optimization empowers you to succeed in e-commerce. Is your Shopify store holding you back? In e-commerce, every second counts, literally. Did you know that 53% of visitors abandon a site if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load? Speed optimization isn't just about faster load times, it's about empowering your business to succeed. Here's how. Improved customer experience. Fast sites keep shoppers happy and engaged. More time on your store means more sales, boosted conversions. A speedy site can increase conversions by up to 20%. That's more sales faster. Better SEO rankings. Search engines prioritize fast websites so you get more visibility and organic traffic. At Task Force Store, we specialize in Shopify speed optimization. From image compression to advanced code tweaks, we've got you covered. Ready to empower your Shopify store and take control of your success? Visit us at taskforcestore.com today.